There was a scammer in Mobay who chap 1.6 million United States dollars. His woman bring it down for him, but the trick was that when she fly in with the suitcase at airport, a bare regular paper them see, and when she reach in the car, the papers turned back into money. The white woman call him and tell him, I know you scammed me, but just send me back 1 million and keep the rest. Him tell the woman fee go suck out her mother. The Tuesday evening, him borrow his friend bike and circle the town with it. Up and down, round and round. When him reach him friend bar, a white car lick him off of the bike. The driver run out and said, trouble did and now, prison me gone. Me kill American. When him look, other boy him see lying there unalive with him foot broke right up to him head. Him foot him bend right up over him head. Him friend ball, cause it was a new bike, and him lend him the bike to just show off, caused him chap big.
Like and follow for more.